Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to hide the standard header provided by the Divi theme. This is useful if you're designing a custom header, want to create a cleaner page layout, or aim to improve focus on your page content. By hiding the default header, you gain greater control over the look and user experience of your site. Let's get started. One effective way to hide the default Divi theme header is by using the Divi Booster plugin. This plugin includes a built-in feature designed specifically for this purpose. By enabling the header hiding option within Divi Booster, you can quickly and easily remove the standard header from your site without the need for custom code. It's a straightforward and convenient solution for those looking to customize their site's design efficiently. To access the Divi Booster settings, start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand admin sidebar, click on Divi to expand the menu. Then, select the Divi Booster option. This will open the settings panel where you can begin customizing your site. Within the Divi Booster settings, navigate to the header section and click to expand it. Next, open the main header subsection. Here, you'll find an option labeled Hide Header Completely. Simply check the box to activate this setting, which will remove the default header from your site. Once you've enabled the setting, make sure to click the Save Changes button located at the top right of the Divi Booster panel. This will apply your updates and ensure the changes are live on your site. To confirm that the standard Divi header has been successfully hidden, simply navigate to your site's homepage. Look at the top of your site and check that the default header is no longer visible. If it's gone, your changes have been applied correctly. If you prefer not to use a plugin, you can hide the standard Divi theme header by adding custom CSS directly into the Divi theme options panel. This approach is simple and lets you visually remove the default header from your site without needing to edit any theme files. It's a great way to create a cleaner look or set the stage for a custom header design. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Divi and then select Theme Options. Once the Theme Options panel opens, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find the Custom CSS box, which is where you'll add your code. Now, inside the Custom CSS box, you'll need to add a specific snippet of CSS code to hide the standard Divi header and adjust the layout spacing. This code is provided in the accompanying post for you to copy and paste. Once added, it will effectively remove the default header and ensure your site layout remains visually balanced. For the exact code, refer to the details shared in the post. Once you've pasted the code into the custom CSS box, make sure to click the Save Changes button located in the top right corner of the Theme Options panel. This step is essential to apply your changes and make them live on your site. To verify that the standard Divi header has been successfully hidden, simply visit your site's homepage. Take a moment to check the top of your site and ensure that the default header is no longer visible. If it's gone, everything has been applied correctly. In this tutorial, we've shown you two simple methods to hide the standard Divi theme header: using the Divi Booster plugin or adding a quick CSS snippet in Theme Options. Both approaches are effective and give you the flexibility to create a cleaner and more customized site layout. Choose the method that works best for you and start enjoying a site that aligns perfectly with your vision.